guys, we need to talk about hydrogen. It's often called the champagne of the energy transition. It could fly our planes, power our ships, and clean up the steel industry, all with zero CO2 emissions. But there is a massive problem that hardly anyone talks about. To make green hydrogen, you need water. And not just any water. You need precious, clean drinking water. And let's be honest, we barely have enough of that as it is. But what if we could just use the one thing we have almost infinite amounts of? Seawater, directly from the ocean, without expensive treatment. It sounded impossible, until now. A research team from Germany has just achieved a major breakthrough exactly in this field. And how that works is what we're going to look at right now. Part 1. The salt problem. Before we get to the solution, we have to introduce the villain in this story, salt. Normally, hydrogen production works like this. We have an electrolyzer. It uses electricity to split water, H2O, into hydrogen and oxygen. But these machines are absolute divas. They demand the purest fresh water to function. If you pour seawater into them, it's a disaster. The salt, specifically the chloride inside it, is extremely aggressive. First, it corrodes the expensive catalysts, and fast forward, the machine basically destroys itself. Second, instead of nice clean oxygen, you often get toxic chlorine gas. Nobody wants that. That's why, until now, you always had to desalinate seawater first. That costs energy, it costs money, and it makes green hydrogen much more expensive in the end. Part 2. The breakthrough from the universe to play boss. They basically said, they need a shield.